6 years ago, in a lively village festival, Jean met Soo-jin. Jean was 15, and Soo-jin was 12. They played together under the warm Korean sun, forming a bond neither could forget. As the festival ended, Jean and Soo-jin were separated by their distant villages. The vast sea, rocky canyons, and thick forests of the Korean landscape loomed between them, keeping their hearts apart, but connected by memory. Now 21, Jean has grown into a handsome young man, his mind often wandering back to Soo-jin. The thought of her has never left him, and he decides it's time to embark on a journey to find her, determined to see her again. At 18, Soo-jin is a beautiful young woman who often dreams of Jean. Though years have passed, her heart has remained true, longing for the boy she met so long ago. She wonders if he remembers her. Jean sets out on his...
If you're still watching this video up till this point, it's either you're a hardcore anime lover like myself, or you just enjoyed the video you just saw. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how easy it is to create this in just 3 simple steps using AI. And if you watch till the end, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily turn this into a passive income stream and earn an extra 7k per month. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now head over to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt. Basically asking ChatGPT to create a story about 2 people who have always loved themselves through their teens but were separated by the distance between their villages. And as always, ChatGPT is creating exactly what we asked. And after this, you want to ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for another AI, create images or scenes matching each of the scenes in the story. And after all this is done, let's head over to the next step. Now for this step, you want to head over to ttsfree.com on Google and sign up. It's completely free, guys. And currently, it's one of the best voiceover softwares that offers some realistic AI voices for completely free. And now you want to head over to your ChatGPT and copy the story. Go back to your TTS Free and paste this story to the input box below, as you can see on screen. And guys, if you register for this website, you have 2,000 characters per generation, and without registration, you just have 500, and that can be quite tiresome. At this point, you want to scroll down and select a voice. I strongly recommend Michelle, as I always use her cause she sounds very real. After selecting a voice, you want to scroll back up and click on the blue convert now button and watch this AI convert your story into voiceover. And once it's done, you want to easily click on the blue download mp3 button to download this into your system. You want to head over to Google and type in Vidu AI. I'll click on the first website, vidu.studio, and it should take you to this screen. I'll click on Try Vidu and select the sign in with Google option. It's a lot smoother and faster this way. And now you want to just easily follow the on-screen prompts. Click on Continue, and automatically you have 80 credits monthly on this AI platform, and that is on every Gmail account you sign up with. So you can be my guest and use as many Gmail accounts you like to sign up. Now head over to Create Video, and you can decide to skip or take the tour. And now you want to head back to ChatGPT and copy the image video prompt it generated, and go back to video and paste it into this box and hit create. Now it's in queue, it's creating, and our first result is ready, but as you can see, it's not what we want. Our prompt demands that we need 2 people standing on a cliff overlooking a village, and I don't understand what's going on here, so we copy the same prompt again and paste it into the box and hit create again, and it's creating. Okay, this time around it's a lot better than the first time, but it's still not what we want. We copy the prompt and edit it a bit and make it more specific, and this time we're going to hit create, and as you can see, it's beautiful and it's exactly what you want. And at this point, you want to hit upscale to 4K resolution, and mind you, this will cost you an extra 4 credits, but it's completely fine. And once the video is ready and to your liking, you want to hit on the download button and let's head over to the boss level. At this point, you want to head over to CapCut Video Editor in your desktop. Open it and select New Project. Now inside the editor, click on Import, and this will take you into your system where you want to easily select all the video files and audio voiceover files you have generated so far. Inside the CapCut app, drag and drop the voiceover onto the timeline and adjust its volume to the max, and also zoom it to somewhere in between so you can see the silent parts between the audio. At this point, you want to easily cut out all all the silent sections of the audio voiceover because they are irrelevant and can reduce your retention. And now you want to drag and drop your video clips onto your timeline. Go over to your scale section and increase it to 120%, and this should remove the top right video AI watermark and make your video more professional. And now you want to easily repeat this same step for the rest of the clips and make sure it correlates perfectly with the voiceover. After this is done, you want to easily head over to YouTube audio library and select a cool soundtrack. And I strongly advise that you go for the kind of soundtrack that correlates perfectly with the kind of video you are creating. And you can easily download it into your system, head back into your CapCut. Inside the CapCut app, you want to click on import and import this soundtrack into your CapCut and drag and drop it just below the audio voiceover. Now trim this soundtrack and adjust it to fit the entire clip. And finally, you want to add some flair of nature, and so you can easily go over to the effect section and click on black noise. Import it into your timeline to sit above all the other clips and drag it to expansion as it covers the entire clip. At this point, you can decide to add some wave sounds, bird sounds, and some Amazon jungle sounds to give the video more realism. And this is the perfect result of our hard work.
6 years ago, in a lively village festival, Jean met Soo-jin. Jean was 15 and Soo-jin was 12. They played together under the warm Korean sun, forming a bond neither could forget. As the festival ended, Jean and Soo-jin were separated by their distant villages. The vast sea, rocky canyons, and thick forests of the Korean landscape loomed between them, keeping their hearts apart, but connected by memory. Now 21, Jean has grown into a handsome young man, his mind often wandering back to Soo-jin. The thought of her has never left him, and he decides it's time to embark on a journey to find her, determined to see her again. At 18, Soo-jin is a beautiful young woman who often dreams of Jean. Though years have passed, her heart has remained true, longing for the boy she met so long ago. She wonders if he remembers her. Jean sets out on his journey, crossing the treacherous sea, navigating rocky canyons, and braving the thick forests that stand between him and Soo-jin's village. Each step is fueled by the hope of reuniting with her. As Jean journeys, Soo-jin continues her daily life, but her thoughts are always with him. She often stands at the edge of her village, looking out at the horizon, hoping for a glimpse of the boy she once knew. After weeks of travel, Jean finally arrives at Soo-jin's village. They meet in the village square, where time seems to stop as their eyes lock. It's as if no time has passed since their first meeting, and their hearts race with joy. Jean and Soo-jin embrace, the years of longing and separation melting away. They realize their love has only grown stronger with time, and together, they look forward to a future where they will never be apart again.
And I promise you guys that if you watch till the end, I'm going to show you guys how you can make an extra 7k per month doing this. And to achieve this, you want to open an account on TikTok and on YouTube, and you want to create at least 2 of these kind of videos every week and upload easily on these platforms. The reason why this is going to work perfectly is simply because the anime space has over 3 billion people who are interested in it. And with numbers like this, you're definitely going to gain good traction between 3 months of starting and maintaining consistency in doing this. And once you're monetized in these platforms on TikTok and on YouTube, you will start making good money easily and still own the original rights to your own anime videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.